Even though personal offices are independent spaces, a few simple changes will help keep the space clean and safe for guests. During tight restrictions, reduce guest occupancy to maintain 6 feet apart. Keep a cleaning caddy for wiping down surfaces throughout the day, and provide hand sanitizer for both guest and personal use. If you have frequent guests, add an acrylic sneeze guard to your desk for added protection without blocking anyone's view. If guests are infrequent, or if a sneeze guard isn't feasible, establish protocols that meetings should be held outside of private offices. You may also want to establish rules that employees should only enter offices when necessary. As restrictions ease, you'll want to keep cleaning supplies and PPE materials in the office, but you can increase the room occupancy by reintroducing another guest chair. Just place it in an out-of-the-way area. You could even position decor to discourage the placement of guest chairs where they would break social distancing. With these few changes, your personal office can become a functional yet sanitary environment.